Cuisinart 66-17N Chef's Classic Non-Stick Hard Anodized 17-piece set, black. Hard anodized exterior is harder than stainless steel. Dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant for extra durability and professional performance. Premium non-stick cooking surface reinforced with titanium provides lasting food release. No oil or butter needed for healthy or low-fat cooking options, and easy cleanup. Solid stainless steel riveted stick handles stay cool on the stovetop and provide a safe and solid grip. Care-cookware should be washed by hand with hot sudsy water and a sponge or soft dishcloth. Do not put in the dishwasher since harsh detergents will harm exterior finish. Oven safe to 500F glass lids are oven safe to 350F cook-in oven or on stovetop.Tempered glass lids. Clear, break-resistant glass, monitor food as it cooks. Lid fits tight to seal in moisture and nutrients for more flavorful results. Tapered rims eliminate drips while pouring.